Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Zaghis Panettoncino Classico. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Zaghis Panettoncino Classico, and just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. There is some nutritional information, as well as a list of ingredients for this Panettoncino Classico weighing 100 grams. And taking a look on the underside of the box packaging, there is once again a list of ingredients in other languages. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by peeling open the flap at the bottom of the box and taking a look directly inside. Let's lift the Zaghis Panettoncino Classico out from its box packaging and just making sure nothing else is left behind. Let's close the box back up and set it down. Let's set it on the right hand side of the table and giving you a look at both the box packaging as well as the Panettoncino Classico in its clear plastic packet. So just giving you a look as it is before I start handling it. And now taking a look as it is in its clear plastic packet. So you can see the golden brown Panettoncino Classico enveloped in a paper wrapper and of course packaged in this clear plastic packet. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet. By tearing it completely open so that we don't damage the Panettoncino Classico. And just setting the packet to the side and once again giving you a full and clear look at this Zaghis Panettoncino Classico, now with the clear plastic packaging removed. So giving you a look as it is of this 100 gram weighing Panettoncino Classico. And resting the Panettoncino in my hand to give you some sense of the size. And holding it as well, cupping it right there. And with both hands. And now taking some close-up looks from top down of this Panettoncino. And at the bottom or underside as well. As you can see, the majority of this Panettoncino is wrapped in the baking paper, and it does have a decorative clover leaf style gold prints on the overall brown coloring. And now taking some close-up looks, even closer in, so you can see the raisins or fruit pieces on its top. And it does have a nice zesty fragrance or aroma to it as well. So giving you some close-up looks right there at the golden brown coloring at the top of this Panettoncino Classico by Zaghis. And now just peeling back the baking paper or wrapping paper to give you a fuller look at the panettoncino. And now a fuller look as it is almost fully naked apart from its base with that disc of paper at the bottom. So doing a 360 rotation so you have a full view and aspect of this Zaghis Panettoncino Classico. So taking a much closer in look this time, and you can see the texture of this baked fruity bread. And now let's peel it open. Let's tear it open right there and giving you a look inside that fluffy interior of this Panettoncino Classico. So you can see the pieces of raisins or sultanas and orange peel as well. And that fibrous looking insides of this panettoncino. And just setting the smaller piece down. And this time taking another look at the bigger portion right here. And let's peel off a smaller piece and taste it. So it does have a nice and fluffy and moist fruity taste to it. Let's peel off another piece, giving you a look once again at the insides of the bread. And now let's taste this piece that we've just peeled off. And once again, that lovely tasting flavor and texture of that piece I've just tasted. So that's the Zaghis Panettoncino Classico. Thanks for watching and happy eating!